it's distilled. Uh-oh. We have distilled white vinegar, but the recipe calls for white wine vinegar. Paprika. We have a spill. I got a guest joining me today. It's my love.
Hi, everybody.
Best boy, man. Yeah. Let's give it a bite.
Sounds good. It's very light, very fluffy. I think it'd go really, really good on a heavier meal. You've got some pumpkin hummus you made previously. Could really set off with different flavors and texture.
Cool.
Right back in there.
But I do like it. I like that, you know, it has the crunch of the celery. I like how it has the crunch of the apple. I feel like they're two distinct sort of crunches. My one critique would be the pasta. I do feel like it's kind of gooey with like a layer of like slime.
Point of order here. I informed her in the middle of cooking it, it looked done, and she overcooked it.
The bag read 14 to 16 minutes, and I played it safe and I did 14 minutes. So you could contact the manufacturer and the brand. Well, my friends, there we go. We now have an appetizer, a drink, and a salad. I'm pretty stoked. Later this week, we are going to have a side dish, and it's going to be dun-dun-dun, butternut squash chili.
Yes.
So stay tuned, and my friends, until next time, stay flawed.